Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Cryptocurrency Group Pro Charts. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys doing pretty good. We're going over the VIX today. Over the VIX. You can see right now the VIX is at 16.14. 16.14. It's nice and calm. It's low. And that's where we want to see this VIX. We want to see this VIX. By the way, this link right here, I posted just for you guys, so you guys can follow this chart on TradingView. This is dedicated just for my YouTube subscribers. So the link's in the description. Only you guys have this special link. It's private. So you guys can follow along how the VIX is doing so you can make your wise decisions on how to trade the stock market. So right now, we saw back over here December 18th, the volatility spiked all the way up to 28.32. There was fear in the market, bad things, fear. There was a lot of fear in the market. So what happened here? The market came down. The S&P came down. As you can see right here, the fear, the VIX was all the way up here, and look what S&P did. It came crashing all the way down to $5,868. The fear was in the market, and it just collapsed on us. Just doors open up and it collapsed, came down. So it's very important to follow the VIX to see the volatility in the market, which direction this market is going. And I'll tell you one thing right now, it's low, but by Monday comes around, we can see this turn around and start climbing back up. We do not want to cross this trend line, because as soon as we cross this trend line, that's indicating bearish momentum in the stock market. The fear is growing in the stock market. When the VIX starts breaking this trend line right here, you can see prior, came out, tested this resistance line, failed, tested again, failed, consolidated, try and made another test, failed, and we're down here. Now we don't want to see this climbing and do a fourth or a fifth test on this trend line, because like I said, if it breaks this trend line, we have fear in the market right here. If it gets over this trend line here, the fear is growing. You could assure me that the market's coming down. And when we get above this line here, it's the market is really coming down. And we don't want to start climbing over 25. Because as soon as we start getting to the new high at 28.32, and this is where I showed you earlier on the chart, where the S&P came crashing down when this pumped all the way up to 28.32. S&P came crashing down, but we don't want to see breaking this. We breaking 28.32. The fear is in the market, and you could for sure, and I can tell you for sure that a stock market will start coming down fast. And then higher we climb, the faster the market comes down. And this is the 2024 rising recession fears. We don't want to hit this mark here at 39.06. This is what everybody was talking about, the 2024 recession fears. That the recession never happened in 2024, but this is the concern of the market coming down. We reached this high, 39.06. I can assure you the market's crashing. And we don't want to see these levels at all. So I'm just giving you a heads up for 2025 to keep an eye on the VIX, to see where the VIX is at, so you guys can make a wise decision in the stock market. Like I said, this is just for my YouTube subscribers only. I'll leave the link in the description. Please, guys, click on the link. If you don't have an account with TradingView, open an account. It's free. That link's also in the description.